as the #1 seed facing off against the #3 seed. We certainly expect from their pre-qualifier performance that these are the best in the business. Will Almualin, the next striker, be the one to come back over the top? He got 7 3-star hits out of the 11 total attacks that he had in the pre-qualifier this month. A very high hit rate, to be sure, and has performed well so far this month. But will he be able to get out back on top and keep up the performance from yesterday? He did manage to get the 3-star against Darkest Muzan in that 14-12 showing.
Yes, it was a Zap Dragon attack, so this one not too dissimilar, using the lightning spells very nicely on that right-hand side compartment, taking out the Eagle early on, and the Queen has just been able to help clear out that area. This one obviously being the Dragon Riders in replacement of the Dragons he used yesterday, so he does have to be careful on that. However, you can see all of the heroes in this central compartment with the Clan Castle, and that is where he is diving his heroes to take care of that. And then the Dragon Riders can concentrate on the defenses. I think this is a wise move by Almualin.
A dangerous point of engagement, but perfectly.
Oh, the Archer Queen goes down.
Oh, wow. A really early quick loss for Almualin. Actually, unfortunately, it seemed like he had a really great positioning there, but the Royal Champion and Barbarian King on the other side holding up, maybe thanks to the super minions. What do you think, Judo?
Yeah, it definitely stalled them up. Now, he has 4 headhunters, so he can easily take care of the heroes, but obviously losing the Queen is not ideal in this situation. I still think he's got enough Dragon Riders to deal with it because he didn't take the healers per se for his Queen, and the Dragon Riders get the Town Hall. They move on in. There's traps there, but they have split now, and it's all about the 3 Dragon Riders to the left-hand side. Can they move in on these final defenses? Almualin cannot do anything else at this stage. You can see just staring at his device as the Dragon Riders move on in. He's got no spells, no troops, no nothing, but 50 seconds remaining. The final defense goes down, and I think time should be okay here. He looks disappointed, though, Woody.
He lost his Grand Warden to a super minion who was just pulverizing rocket fire after rocket. But yeah, I think you're right. There's nothing to be disappointed about at all. He's got lots of cleanup along the outer edges, and time is not even close to being a factor. Almualin wiping sweat from his brow, but whew, the 3-star claimed